How to fix unable to remove payment method. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the settings of your device, and this problem could occur due to several reasons, and one of the reason could be that you have active subscriptions. Now you need to cancel up your active subscription before trying up or removing your payment method. Now in order to cancel a subscription, we will have to open up our Apple ID, and here you would be able to find the option of subscriptions. Just simply click on it. Now if you have any active subscriptions, it would appear over here, and you can just simply cancel them up, and after that you can try to remove your payment method. And the other reason could be that the Apple ID requires at least one payment method, and you might be having just one payment method. So before removing your payment method, just make sure that you add a second one, and after that you can remove your first payment method, and this way you would be able to solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.